What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Alexis Kimberly here. You may have noticed a little bit of a change today. Today I am wearing my hair, my real hair, not the weave, not the wig that you guys have been seeing me wear, but this is my texlaxed / relaxed hair. I wanted to get on camera today to show you guys my kind of go-to styles that I do when I'm rocking my real hair. But before I get into that, definitely subscribe to my channel. If you aren't subscribed to my channel already, I don't know what you're doing. Hit that notification bell so that you can be alerted every time I upload a video every Sunday. And stay tuned to the end of this video so that you can see my go-to hairstyles on my texlaxed relaxed hair. All right, so for the first look, we're going to be doing a high bun with bangs. And all you're gonna do, and you can be totally messy with this, but all we're gonna do is take two pieces in the front and leave them out and pull the rest of the hair up. You're gonna pull it up as high as you can go. I'm gonna take a scrunchie and do a regular like ponytail. I'm gonna wrap that around 3 times. You're gonna grab all of the hair and twist it around itself. And as you're twisting, you're also twisting the hair like around itself as well. So as you're flipping it around the band, you're also flipping the hair around itself. I'm gonna take a thinner scrunchie like this and just sit that scrunchie over. And now we're gonna just take some bobby pins and just pin the hair like in random places, like anything that's sticking out that you don't like. Just adjust the bun accordingly, like to how you like it, and pin it down. Make sure you brush that kitchen in the back. And if you want, you can totally take a flat iron at this point and bump these 2 bangs if you want. Since I'm just doing a tutorial and I'm taking my hair out anyway, I'm not going to do that, but you can absolutely do that if you want curls in the bangs. But super cute, super easy, and this is look number 1. All right, so for this next look, we're going to be doing a twist on a half up, half down style. I like to use only part of the top of my hair. So as you can see, I'm taking like just like this area here, and I'm using a really thin scrunchie. Ugh, got lipstick on me. Using a really thin scrunchie. Gonna tie that up. And just pull the hair so that it kind of comes out and frames the top of your head, just like that. If you want, you can tease the ponytail. I don't, but this is look number 2. All right, so this next look is gonna be even more playful. We are going to split the front of our hair in 2 pieces. And I'm going to be, you see how I'm grabbing like the top third of my hair here? We're forming pigtails. So, take a thin scrunchie like this. And the reason why I use thin scrunchies for certain things, like when I use less hair like this, is because like those really bulky scrunchies or just the thicker scrunchies in general tend to they just consume too much of the hair. I don't know how to describe it with that, but I've lost my other scrunchie. Oh, here it is. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. So grab another third of your hair. And again, like, this is supposed to be messy and like not precise, so don't feel like you have to use a comb to make parts, but if that's what you're accustomed to, totally do so. And bring your hair to the front. Make sure they're the same height. So yeah, it's just 2 pigtails and then the rest is in the back and just a couple of bangs to frame my face. So this is look number 3. Moving on to the next look, we are doing a low ponytail with a side part. For this, I like to be a little bit more precise with my side parts. So I will take a comb like this, like a rat tail comb, and just form a part that kind of curves. That's just my preference. And I'm just combing that through. All right, so now that our hair is all the way combed through, I'm gonna take a medium-sized scrunchie like this and pull my hair back. Now see how like these pieces will just naturally fall out, like these shorter pieces? I will sometimes leave them out or I'll tuck them in like behind my ear. And then I will pull out like the little hairs on the side here by my ears that just never seem to grow long. Now, how tight you want your ponytail to be is completely up to you. You can do a completely slicked back ponytail with gel if you want, but I'm not doing that today. And we're wrapping our hair around that scrunchie 3 times. And it's that simple. Just pulling your hair back into a ponytail. And I will just pull out some of my hairs over here, but not mandatory. So this is our next look. All right, so for our next look, we are continuing with this side part that we've got going on here. We're gonna be doing a look with a donut bun, which is, just looks like this. I have a satin one because the like textured ones that feel like a Brillo pad are no good for your hair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull back my hair just like I did before. Same thing as the low ponytail look. Now I'm going to use this donut bun and I'll turn to the side so that you guys can see, but I'm going to take the donut bun and I'm going to put it over my ponytail. Pull it through just like that so that the donut bun sits flat to your head. And then you want to take your hair and spread it all around. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you're gonna spread, let me turn around. I hope you guys can see this, but I'm really trying here. You're gonna take your hair and you're gonna separate your hair so that it spreads around the donut, and then you're gonna tuck your hair into the donut. So you're just going around in a circle around the donut bun and tucking the hair under the donut bun. And you definitely want to get a donut bun that is the same color of your hair, just in case any of the donut peeks through. You want something that looks like this, and since that's super insecure by itself, I will take bobby pins and just stick them into the bun or into my hair so that it sticks to my head and I know that it's not going anywhere. So you end up with a look like this. Alright you guys, so that's it. Those are some of my go-to styles when I am wearing my relaxed hair out. They're so easy, they're so quick. Most of these styles that we did, I didn't even use a comb, like I just used my fingers. Sometimes the messier, the cuter. Like it looks like you did nothing, but you really did and you planned it out entirely. Yeah, you feel me. But anyway, if you guys liked this video, definitely give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Join the fam. We're talking hair, we're talking beauty, like there's nothing but good vibes here. Leave me a comment down below letting me know which one of these styles was your favorite. And until next time guys, I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.